Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ActiveCampaign tracking from WordPress. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall ActiveCampaign tracking from your WordPress site, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section in the left-hand menu. Click on Installed Plugins to view the list of plugins currently active on your site. Locate the ActiveCampaign plugin in this list. Once you find the plugin, click on the Deactivate link below its name. This will disable the plugin without deleting it. After deactivating, click on the Delete link that becomes available. Confirm the deletion when prompted to remove the plugin completely. Next, navigate to the Settings in the left-hand menu. Look for any sections related to ActiveCampaign. Check for any residual tracking codes in your theme or custom code. If you have added tracking codes manually, access your theme editor under Appearance and then Theme Editor. Find the file where you inserted the tracking code, often in the header or footer. Remove the relevant ActiveCampaign tracking code from that file. To ensure everything is clean, clear your site's cache if you are using a caching plugin. You may also want to check any third-party tools integrated with ActiveCampaign for additional settings. Finally, visit your website to confirm that the ActiveCampaign tracking is no longer active. Your WordPress site should now be free of ActiveCampaign tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.